Hey, second grade. We're going to be doing an experiment about matter. You have been learning about matter all week. There are three forms of matter, three main forms: solids, liquids, and gases. And we're going to be doing a little experiment with all three. And we're going to test out the law, conservation of mass, that matter cannot be created or destroyed. So I have just an old plastic water bottle. I have a balloon, and inside the bottle, I have put a little bit of vinegar, about a fourth a cup, and a little bit of baking soda, about a tablespoon of baking soda. And I did that using this straw. Just poked it in there and got some baking soda. Now, when I say a fourth a cup of vinegar, that's actually a measurement for volume. So that's the volume of vinegar that I put in. Okay, so then I've just put this balloon just right over the top. I didn't pour the baking soda in yet, just kind of flopped over to the side. Now I'm going to calculate them. I'm going to measure the mass of the bottle with the vinegar, with the balloon, with the baking soda. I'm going to put it on my balancing scale. Okay. Its mass is 100 grams. Okay. So 100 grams is the mass. Now let's see what happens when we pour. Oh. Wow. You see that? So if you guys were here, I would call in some volunteers to make some observations. But you guys can make some observations at home and write them down. There's a lot of bubbles happening. And if you were here, I would let you touch this. It's really cold. And the balloon is cold. It's made a gas inside there. And that's why the balloon filled up. Now, we didn't add anything to this. We didn't take anything away. It's all the same stuff, but it just changed. So it made a gas, and the gas that it made is carbon dioxide, which is what we breathe out. We take a deep breath in, we breathe oxygen in, but when we breathe out, we're breathing out carbon dioxide because it's not good for our body to keep it. But oxygen is good. So that is the gas that this is producing. It's carbon dioxide. All right, let me sit this here for a little bit. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and take and measure the mass again. Okay. And it's still 100 grams. How is it the same mass? Well, nothing's been added and nothing was taken away. Even the air, or even the gas, carbon dioxide, has a mass. So you don't see the baking soda anymore, but you don't see the gas either, but it's there. Obviously, the balloon is filled up. So, yeah. Pretty cool. I'm going to leave this sitting on my kitchen counter, and let's see how long it will stay inflated like this. You guys can make some predictions too, and maybe I'll tell you guys next week after we do the lab. So go ahead and get your science journal open, your digital science notebook, and there is a page that you are going to complete in it. I think it's 3 observations. What you see, what you wonder, and what you notice. You can write down some of the materials. You can try this at home if you have, most people do have some baking soda and some vinegar. You could try this at home. You could use like a Ziploc bag if you don't have a balloon and a water bottle. There's lots of ways you can do it. Have a great day.